Remote workers is the thing with worldwide opportunity. Yes, I'm going to share with you this work from home jobs, work from anywhere. We have this company, Universal Giving. They have this administrative assistance, global remotes. Yes, you can access through your Google browser. Of course, type Universal Giving. You will see this opportunity. If you go here, to careers about us and then click careers, you will find this job. All right, so if you can see, so you can see marketing, there is these jobs. Moving on to the next job, we have to see worldwide remote jobs. You can work from anywhere. Yes, you can earn money from any country. So have this website. Yes, this company is worldfirst.com. This is a platform we can become freelancer on this platform and make money online. So if you go to careers opportunity, you can see they say worldwide jobs, our elite lane of editing proofreading professional. So this is the company of editing and proofreading professionals. So if you are looking for jobs opportunity worldwide, you can see interested in working with team of world-class research experts. Okay, they said want to contribute to growing international publication industry. Join this team, we can become freelancer editor, freelancer translator, research expert, content writer. You can become sales manager and also seminar, workshop lecturer. You can become sales manager as well. So if you go to this platform, you can read more about this platform. But let's go to frequent asked question. If you click here down, you will see there is so many questions. And if you go to employment information, you can see how can I get free sample of your editing service. Okay, what type of payment do you accept? So this is the question related to people who want the service. If you go, let's say pricing and payment, um, affiliate and partnership. Okay, employment information. If you can see, they say, how can I work at WorkForce as a freelancer editor? They say WorkForce is always looking for capable and quality freelancer editor. Our expert editor live and work all over the world, enjoy the freedom of flexibility that comes with remote work. So if you click here about us, you will see affiliate program or job. All right, so if you click here maybe freelance editor, this is how you can apply. Yes, you can apply by clicking here, then you will fill all your information, and also don't forget to attach your resume and cover letter. So this is the company worldwise.com. Worldwise.com, right in your Google browse, worldwise.com, go to careers, go to freelancer editor. As you can see, they have so many things. Moving on to the next job, we have wirokarize.com. If you go to your Google browse and write wirokarize.com, you will see there is jobs. If you go down on the careers, yes, you see explore, we localize careers. So if you can see join freelancer community, this is how you can join this WeLocalize.com platform and start earning money. WeLocalize recognizes the true value of freelance talents, and it is proud to have established a global and growing community of remote working freelancer who are crucial toward our global success and our clients. So if you want to become freelancer on this platform, click here freelancer project. Yes, you can see there is a translation. You can become maybe freelancer. You can translate in English, Hebrew into English, Japanese into English, Korea into English, Russia translator, and so many more. They have so many positions, especially in translation position. Moving on to the other job that we have, if you go to simplyhired.com, you write data entry, all right? Data entry and remote. Go to your Google browse, type simplyhired.com, and then type here data entry, then remote. You can filter within 24 hours. There is these jobs. Okay, remote data entry check, stone design remodel. If you go to your Google browse, type simplyhired.com, type here data entry and then remote, you can see this company is hiring, and the name of the company is Stone Design and Remodel. All right, and then you can see the qualification. These are the qualification: at least 2 years of experience, Microsoft Office, database, Microsoft Excel. Okay, if you see typist, remote, these are typist, remote, or in office. It's full-time as well. They are looking for someone who can edit, typing, and computer skills, data entry, high school diploma only. There is this other job, remote customer service agent. It's remote. This job was posted 6 hours ago. The qualification, these are qualification: pricing, computer skills, 1 year of experience, phone etiquette, and 2 years of experience. So this is the company. They have data entry job. They say better way to work remote. They say, at every client solution, we believe that everyone should have control of their time and opportunity. Now you can have freedom to choose your own schedule and work from home. This is the application process. You can see, start working from home today, apply. Our process is quick and easy, no resume needed, no interview process. Simply complete your application for immediate access to our new agent orientation. During the orientation, we will review everything we need to know about your work from home opportunities and register for your portal access. You can see then, once you have registered, you will take a short skills assessment. After successful passing, you will gain access to all clients. There is how you earn money. You simply select the hour that best for you and lifestyle. Create future you work from home, comfort of your home. So this is again every client solution. Going back to simplyhired.com, continue to data entry jobs. There is these other jobs. Yes, there is this one, clinical patient access, work from home, patient service agent. They are looking for someone with knowledge in Spanish, customer service, high school diploma, data entry, phone etiquette, and help desk. So let's say if you are looking for virtual assistant, you can type here virtual assistant remote and then search. You can maybe filter 24 hours and then you will see new jobs posted on simplyhired.com. There is this job, administrative assistant, remote or office. It is located in Florida and they are paying $25 per hour. They are looking for someone with knowledge in Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, administrative experience, office management and communication skills, time management as well. So this is the position that you can work full time. There is this other job, they say assistant legal counselor, is located in Florida and you can work from home as well. So guys, if you are looking for any type of job that you may think, okay, let's say IT jobs, you can type IT jobs and then you will see remote technical support specialist, ServiceNow developer, point on sales specialist, customer support specialist. All these are the jobs you can find on this platform, simplyhired.com. I'm encouraging you to visit this platform, simplyhired.com. Yes, I wish you all the best. Yes, tell me in your comments, how do you see my video? What type of job are you looking for? So let me know in the comments. Please like my video, share and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have subscribed, thank you so much and let me to the next video. Bye bye.